Recently unveiled in South Korea, this model sets a new benchmark in electric vehicle design and technology. Let's delve into what makes the 2025 Kia EV6 facelift a marvel of modern engineering. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Kia EV6 facelift knows it. At the forefront of its design evolution are the sharp, angular LED daytime running lights and headlamps, echoing the aesthetic of Kia's latest electric models. The front fascia has been meticulously reworked, integrating a sleeker bumper and a refined lower grille. New alloy wheels in 19 and 20 inches add a touch of sophistication, while the signature rear LED light bar maintains its iconic horizontal sweep. With each detail, the EV6 facelift not only looks futuristic, but also enhances its aerodynamic efficiency. Step inside the 2025 Kia EV6 facelift, where technology meets comfort. The cabin welcomes you with a sweeping curved panoramic screen, seamlessly merging the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment display. The steering wheel, now a sleek two-spoke design, complements the modernity. A new fingerprint reader introduces keyless operation, while wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensure your devices are always connected. Above, a digital rear-view mirror and an augmented reality navigation system project vital information directly into your line of sight. The EV6 facelift isn't just about driving, it's about experiencing cutting-edge technology. But how does it feel to drive the new Kia EV6 facelift? The standard models boast 225 horsepower, while dual-motor versions deliver a robust 320 horsepower. Enhanced frequency-selective dampers ensure a smoother ride. Quieter motors and a reinforced body enhance safety. The 2025 Kia EV6 facelift combines power with poise, making every drive a pleasure. So what do we take away from the new 2025 Kia EV6 facelift? It blends a striking exterior with cutting-edge interior updates and enhanced performance.